Scratch tutorial. Animate a letter.
D.
Through this video, you can use the Scratch project and learn a lesson. When animating letters, you will gain experience writing code. Demo.
What's your name?
My name is To-Do.
So the first letter is T. Let's choose the letter from sprites.
Sprite. A sprite found in the sprite library is the object operated in the project. Most projects have at least one sprite, because only sprites can move. Event blocks. Events blocks are one of the 10 categories of blocks. Their color code is yellow and are used to sense events and thus trigger the script to run. Looks blocks. Looks blocks are one of the 10 categories. Their color code is purple, used to control the appearance of sprites. When changing color of a sprite, drag the Change Color effect by block to join to the event block. Then change the value, the number, and press the green flag. The text changes its color accordingly. Wiki, color effect. Colors in color effect block are the color changes from Scratch Cat Orange, 0 color effect, to itself when it restarts at the 200th positive value of the color effect. Scratch extension. The Scratch extension allows Scratch projects to connect to external hardware, for example Lego WeDo or Microbit. Information sources on the web, such as Google Translate and Amazon Text-to-Speech, or more advanced feature blocks.
What's your name?
My name is Do-Do.
So the first letter is D. Let's make a sprite of it and make it speak.
So we connect the letter to the Amazon Text-to-Speech extension
Hello.
and make it speak.
Do-Do. Do-Do.
Play blocks.
Can you change the color of the letter?
Yes, I can.
Can you insert a speech to the letter?
Yes, I can. To-Do.
Create. Spin.
To spin a sprite, we need an event block, a motion block, and a control block. The control block is arranged to cover the motion one. You may play it by changing the turn directions, degrees and the repeat times.
Control blocks. Control blocks run the basic flow of a project in the desired fashion, whether it is organized or unexpected. They provide the ability to loop various blocks and scripts. They control projects and enhance their operations. Music extensions. Play music.
To play music, we need an event block, and a set instrument and a play note block from the music extensions. Set instrument to block. There are 20 instruments in the list. The sound for the dude, for example, is number 10. Clarinet. Play note block. The note number is the same as that of MIDI. The middle C, for example, is number 60. The duration is counted with beats. A half beat note, for example, is denoted as 0.5 beats.